Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has positioned Zimbabwe at a turning point in its mineral policy, warning that failure to industrialize and retain value from its vast lithium reserves could leave the current generation judged harshly by history. Serabina mashoko bratowa yaita kabatana daily supporter the moves ari kuitwa naVP Constantino Chiwenga kusecure minerals edu. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tinaona mobile conscience. Speaking during a tour of Sandawana mine in Mberengwa on Wednesday, Chiwenga threw his weight behind cabinet's decision to immediately ban the export of raw lithium and concentrates, a prohibition initially scheduled for 2027 but accelerated amid concerns over abuse of export windows. Standing before the sprawling open split mine, Chiwenga framed beneficiation as both an economic and moral imperative. In quotes, "It would be foolish to leave no legacy for future generations," he said. "If we don't leave anything for them, they will spit on our graves." The remark reflects a broader push by Chiwenga for a governance model anchored on transparency, accountability, and long-term national benefit, themes he has increasingly emphasized in recent years as he calls for an end to opaque mineral deals and leakages in the extractive sector. Zimbabwe holds one of Africa's largest lithium deposits, a mineral critical to the global energy transition, but for years, raw exports have drawn criticism for generating limited domestic value while accelerating environmental degradation and infrastructure damage. We were exporting lithium ore, our roads are being destroyed, and we were getting nothing, Chiwenga said. Mining must drive value addition and economic growth. The vice president said rural industrialization would be central to a new economic architecture, one designed to ensure mining communities become hubs of processing, manufacturing, and modern infrastructure. "We want to see tall buildings in Mberengwa," he said. "We must build cities where the resources are found." Government officials say the accelerated ban followed reports that some operators were stockpiling or illicitly moving it across borders ahead of the 2027 deadline. The immediate prohibition closes that gap. Doma developments ari pomere Zimbabwe. Nakona section medu za fungo enyi matukulipa msira kuchitwa ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.